final question I want to do like this is a question from Donna from Oregon. What is the most expensive Las Vegas wedding? Hi guys, Richard Evans here, the Paradise Tour Guide, and what is the most expensive wedding in Las Vegas? Now, I asked that simply because someone asked me when I was doing a live stream about weird weddings here in Las Vegas. I'll put something up there so you can click on it and check out if you want to see the complete one. But I had a question about what is the most expensive wedding in Las Vegas? And here was my answer. Actually, this is an interesting question because, again, we got some news coming out because we are expected to hit 5 million people being wed in Las Vegas this year. And so the Waldorf Astoria over in the Aria complex is advertising a special one-time wedding possibility. And this is just really over the top. If this is something that you want to do, they will pick you up by private plane and fly you to Las Vegas, you and your wedding party. They will book up to 300 people into the Waldorf Astoria. You will eat at the finest restaurants. You will go on a shopping spree at Crystal's, which is the high-end shopping area, to get clothes and rings and top-line jewelers, anything that you want. You're going to stay there in the presidential suite, completely 100% everything part of the package. You'll have a wonderful, beautiful ceremony at the Waldorf Astoria. You have a brilliant reception at the Waldorf Astoria. When you're done, you will go for a week for your honeymoon to any Waldorf Astoria in the world. And a year from now, after you get married, they will bring you back to the Waldorf Astoria for your beautiful blast of an anniversary. Everything, top line, everything, super, super duper 100% quality, from the food to the presentations to all the entertainment and everything, for $5 million. $5 million? $5 million. You know what? I'm a little short on that one, so good thing that I'm married and I don't have to tell my wife I can't do the $5 million wedding ceremony. What can I say? Guys, that's it for this particular thing. Again, I'm Richard Evans, the Paradise Tour Guide here in Las Vegas, Nevada. If you happen to have any questions or comments, please share them down below. Do you have any? If this is the content that you like, let me know what else you'd like to know about Las Vegas as far as attractions, as far as things to do, as far as saving money, all of that good stuff. And if you do find that this type of content is interesting to you, please consider down below, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and even hit the alarm so that next time that you see something come out, it'll be a notice to you in your email so that you can go ahead and be one of the first ones to do it. Thank you very much. Again, Richard Evans. May your memories here in Las Vegas last forever. Next time. Bye-bye.